हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं विद एक्सरसाइज 11 ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 3 HCF एंड LCM फॉर क्लास 7 स्टूडेंट्स। सो लास्ट चैप्टर में हमने देखा था कि व्हाट इज प्राइम नंबर, कॉम्पोजिट नंबर, को प्राइम नंबर एंड ऑल्सो ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. So today we are going to learn how to factorize these numbers, how to factorize any number into prime number, how to find the prime factors of any specific number. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first number what we have is we have to find out factor of 32. So what we need to do, you simply need to make a table like this and you need to do the simple multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, so 2 6 are 12. So multiplication of these two should be equal to this. 2 into 16 32. Okay, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, and the last number should be 1. So when I say what is the factor of 32, so the factor of 32 is all these numbers. Okay, so this is 5 times 2. So this is the factor of 32. That's it. Prime number. And also you need to remember whatever number you are taking over here, this should be a prime number. 2 is a prime number, so we can take it. You cannot take any composite number over here. Okay, so that's why they are saying factorize the following number into primes. Okay, now let us start with second, which is 57. So now this is divisible by 3, so this will be 3 ones are 3, 2 is remaining, 3 nines are 27, and 19 is a prime number, so we can take 19 into 19. So when you take 57, so the factor of 57 is 3 into 19. Okay, let's take our next number, which is 23. So I hope we have seen in our previous lecture that, okay, we have not seen that we have started from 25, but 23 is a prime number, so it is not divisible by any prime number. So the factor is 23 and 1. So the factor of 23 is nothing but 23. Next is 150. We can take the smallest, which is 2. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 fives are. Right? Now this is not divisible by 2, but divisible by 3. So we can take 3. 3 twos are 6, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15, then 5 fives are, and 5 ones are. So the prime factor of 150 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That's it. These are prime factors. This is the way how do you find prime factor. Now next is 216. So let's do this. 2 ones are 2. There is no 1 in table of 2, so we have to take 0. You cannot take directly 16 over here. When you take 2 number, you have to put 1 0. If you take 3 number, you have to put 2 0. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 eights are 16, because multiplication of these two should be equal to this. If you don't put, so this will be 18. 18 into 2 is 36, so that will not be correct. Next, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are. So the factor of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, let's move on to next sum, which is 208. This will be again 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2 threes are, and 13 is a prime number, so this will be 13 into 1. So the factor of 208 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. That's it. Next is 765. Now this is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. Right? Now this is again divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. Now this is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 3 is remaining, 5 7s are 35. Now 17 is a prime number, so this will be 17 into 1. So this will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now next number is 342. This will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. Correct? Now this is 171. This will be divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So 2 will be carried. 3 7s are 21. Now this is again divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. And then 19 is a prime number. So it will be 19 into 1. So this is 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Now next is 377. Now this is not divisible by 2. This is neither divisible by 3, neither by 4, 5, 6, not possible. Let us see by 7. 7 by 30. Not divisible by 7 also. Now we need to check by 8. Neither divisible by 8, neither by 10, neither by 9, neither by 11. Now we need to check in prime number. So if you in case if you find any number which is neither divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, then you need to divide it by prime number. So let us divide it by 13. 13 twos are 26. So this will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be 7. Correct? So let us see by 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 ones are 9, 10, 11. See, this is 117. So this is 13 into 9. Correct? So this is divisible in table of 13. So this will be 13 into 29. And as we saw in our previous lecture, which is over here, that 29 is a prime number. If you have not seen the first video lecture, you can go and check it. How did we find this? Okay. So that will be 29 into 1. So this will be 29 into 1. So the factor of 377 will be 13 into 29. Okay. Let us move on to next sum, which is the last sum of this exercise, which is 559. Now again, this is not divisible by 2, 10, 19, neither by 3 nor by 4, 5. Let us check with 6. 6 nines are 54. Neither by 6. Now let us see by 7. Neither by 7. Let us see by 8. Neither by 8 nor by 9. Neither by 11. Again, we'll have to divide this by next prime number, which is 13. 13 fours are 52. Correct? Now remainder will be 3. This will be 0, 9, 13. 3s are 39. Right? So this is again divisible by 13. 13 into 43, and 43, if I'm not wrong, is again a prime number, which we can see over here. That 43 is a prime number, so that will be 43 into 1. If you have not seen the previous video lecture, you can go through it. So the factor of 559 is 13 into 43. In case if this is not divisible 13 also, then you need to go ahead. The next prime number is 17. So you need to divide this by 17 and check whether this is divisible by 17 or not. Even if it is not divisible by 17, then you need to check for 19, then 23. Okay, so that's it for today lecture. We have learned how to factorize the number into prime factors. Uh, keep on practicing this. Our next lecture would be on exercise number 12, wherein we have to find the HCF. So you need to practice this thoroughly, and so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so जल्दी मिलते हैं. Till then, take care. See you soon.